Many cities are plagued with extremely high levels of congestion, causing great frustration for drivers and political pressure to do something about it. And so what do? Well, we relieve the symptom of the difficulty, which usually means we build more roads or we add lanes to the existing roads. And of course, it sounds very sensible, and in the very short run it works. But of course, the success of that intervention lowers the travel time, eases the congestion, and the result, obviously, is people drive more, and the congestion simply rises back up until it's just bad enough to stop people from taking yet one more trip. We've seen all of these things in action, and in every one of these cases, you have a situation where the symptoms of the problem lure people into intervening at those points, but actually the leverage point is somewhere else.
So my name is Zia Yusuf. I'm the CEO of Streetline Inc. here in sunny California, San Francisco. It's estimated that 30% of the traffic in a city like San Francisco here or Los Angeles is caused by people going around looking for parking. So as we all know, finding a parking when you're going to work and it takes you maybe 20 minutes to get to the building you're going to, but then it takes you another 15 minutes to actually find parking. That's the problem that we're trying to solve. So what we do is we put sensors in the ground, and so when a car comes in over the sensor, we know that there's a car there. And that information then goes from the street lamps. We put repeaters and gateways up in the street lamps, sometimes in the trees, and that information ultimately comes to our data centers in Texas. Now, once we have that information, and we're able to know live when a car is there, when a car is not there, then you can feed that information into all kinds of different devices. The one that we launched in December in LA by the mayor of LA was a software program called Parker. This is currently an iPhone application which in essence guides you to an open parking spot. This is live data right now from Los Angeles, from the streets of Los Angeles. What you'll be able to see is numbers like 4+, 2+, less than 2. This is where we're able to give you the information on how many open parking spots there are on the street at that point in time. Ultimately, we want to add other types of instrumentation to the city as well, including for fire hydrants to measure water pressure, pollution sensors on each block so you can see what the carbon monoxide levels are.
Today, if we want to survive and thrive, we need to understand the complex systems that we've created and in which we're embedded, and that only analytic frameworks can help us understand.